hope in my heart that the parts are going to be here. I can tell by your smell that you ain't feeling well. $60? Are you kidding me? Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're coming to you from the inside of my 2003 Mercedes E320 Wagon. As you can see, the way back there. Anyway, this is kind of a different video. It's what everybody has asked for. We are en route to get parts. Okay, if you've been watching the series, you know I need a lot of parts for this car. So we are headed to Oklahoma City for some headlights at one place, a hood and a bumper at a different place, and then the rest of the parts I think are going to be at a third place. So hang with me, have some fun. We're going to continue piecing this car back together, and hopefully we'll keep it kind of a very cool modified Mercedes parts getter. That is a backbone to something that got dragged in here and eaten. Please be dead. Please be dead. Please. Oh, I smashed his brain. Yeah, we got rain. Hunt for the second vehicle has taken us to... What are you gonna say?
It's just too much for me to screw out.
What do you think about this car, Mike?
Mikey likes.
You like it?
Mikey likes.
I'm in the car.
I do have to tell you, other than looking gorgeous right here, yeah, when I adjusted the door, there's a lot of air kind of coming in through there, so we need to adjust the door again. But the car itself is amazing. I'm still on a full tank of gas, and I've gone probably, I don't know, 70 miles, maybe 80 miles. I forgot to start the odometer again. I was going to do the miles per gallon, but I forgot. Everything works. Look at this. Look at the beautiful wood. Yeah, everything is gorgeous. There are no problems on the inside. There are lots of problems on the outside. All right, we have made it to PYP, formerly known as, well, it's LKQ there. It's PYP on the street sign, and the car performed flawlessly. I still have like 7/8 of a tank of gas left. We did make a stop in North Oklahoma City. Look at her. Look at how gorgeous she is. And we picked up some headlights. Okay. Because I think I want to do kind of a mod on this car. Anyway, these are depot headlights. And they look different. They're going to be great. They're going to be fabulous. It's going to change the look of the car. Somehow I got to figure out how to get a bumper and a door and a fender hopefully in the car with the headlights. So that's going to be a thing. Anyway, it's heating up out here, so let's hurry up and get inside. We'll pull our parts. We'll take you along for the ride, and hopefully things will go smoothly. All right, I got 2 bottles of water. I got my Coca-Cola. I got a bright yellow shirt on to reflect all the sun, and I got hope in my heart that the parts are going to be here. Okay, woo, that was a good one. Did not have far to walk at all. No microphone, I'm sorry, but this is it. This is the girl we're pulling parts from, and I think the bumper's going to be okay. I mean, it is kind of crunched right here, but I can weld that. Little plastic weld on that. We have the fender that we need. We have the door. I think the door looks pretty good. It's better than what we have now, so we'll try to take all this off with mostly 10 millimeter and 12 or 13 millimeter bolts. And then of course, because PYP charges for everything, all this has to come off, because they're going to charge me for this and the panel, and then the window glass and the speaker and the motor for the window and the side view mirror, all that kind of crap. So I'm going to take all that off. So let me get to work. I'm also going to try to get this piece right here, because this looks really good, better than the crunched up one that I have. All right, so it looks a lot different because most of the parts are over here. So we still need the door. We're coming back for that. I've got this loaded up. We're just going to take this out to the car, throw it in the back, the way back, and then we'll come back and get the door, and hopefully everything's going to fit. I haven't planned that far ahead, so let's just see how we do. We're back for more parts, and I think we have everything that we need. Yes, I ripped that out with my bare hands. Absolutely. So we have the little support. We have a little corner piece for the headlight to make sure that goes in just right. And we have the door. So let's see if we can get all this stuff in the car. It's gonna be fun. This is how she looks, and we have room for more. We did scratch this up a little bit. That's okay, it's gonna be painted. Everything's gonna be fine. Look, I got room. I could put more stuff up here. I just couldn't get the hood because I don't have any tie downs and there's no cross support. Let me show you. Oh shoot, that's gonna be close, hold on. There it is. Now we got it. We're official. We are official, and we're going back to Tulsa with a full load of parts. Let's see if I can do something with that, though. Well, you can tell by my smell that I'm not feeling well. No, I'm kidding. Remember that as a kid? We used to say that a lot for some reason. I can tell by your smell that you ain't feeling well. Anyway, I am feeling well because I got a car full of parts. Yeah, look at this. This little Mercedes station wagon, I have gone from Tulsa over to Edmond, Oklahoma, down to Oklahoma City, and then back to Tulsa. And as you can see right here, I still have more than half a tank of gas. This little 6-cylinder is getting some pretty good gas mileage. I'm thinking, I don't know for sure because I forgot to set the odometer. Because I'm an idiot. But look at that. So, as far as how much we spent, we have, let me go through this. Okay, we have the front bumper, we have the underneath molding for that, we have the inner wheel well liner, and we have a fender, and that was $218. Then I went back in and I got the door, the front driver's door, I got the radiator support piece and that little corner piece that goes around the headlight, and that was look at this hair. This is a mess. This is gross. 150. So for $360, I think I have all the parts that I need to finish the car. We'll add headlights, $100 there, $460. So all I need now is paint, because I'm going to do all of the putting on parts myself. So we'll make a video about that, or maybe that'll be part of this video. So yeah, I'm happy. I can't wait to see what the headlights look like too on this thing. Yeah, but we did good. Look at it. This thing holds a ton. And I have noticed this right here. Someone was kind enough to point this out, and so I have to fix this. I don't want to open this. I've got to fix this right there. See, like that, because that's gross. And then this will just pull the whole thing off. And that's one flaw of a lot of the Mercedes headliners, is this little piece right there. So I got to fix that myself. That's gross. Okay. Anyway, we will continue this when I decide what I'm going to do next in the video. Okay. So here comes what's next. We made it back home, and we've been working and contemplating why we do this for a living, because it's too hard, it's too hot. And I have dogs that bother me, and ducks that bother me, and the sun that bothers me, and grease and everything else. Lola, thank you. Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. And then I got to take the door off. Yeah, so anyway, we have it all stripped. All we have to do now is remove this one bolt, feed all these wires through this part of the door right here, and hopefully everything will come out just great. Okay, I even have the door check removed here. Let's see if we can do something without breaking it right here. Yeah. Here it is. Okay, yeah, that'll go back on easily. So all I got to do is remove this, slide this off, slide the new one, connect everything. Smile, look pretty while doing it. So let's get to work. All right, let's see how we did. I think everything is almost buttoned up. I can't put the door panel on because when you take off a Mercedes door panel, these little clips, some of the clips come off and you got to glue them. But watch. Look at that. Red X marks the spot. So we got it fine. It's working great. We'll check the alignment and all will be well. I need to put my little thing right here. This is for the light above your latch. This is for your light that goes down there. I'm happy. I'm really, really happy. That's good stuff. Work continues on the project. Like plastic surgery, like I always say, you have to get ugly before you get beautiful. So we've removed the fender. We have actually fit the door on, and I had to use the old hinges. This door came from a 2001 or 2, and I think because it had 2 bolts right here that didn't match, I think the hinges were kind of jacked up. So I've reused my hinges, and I've got everything aligned, and I want to show you. There you go. I think that looks good. I think that does look good, okay? So we're kind of flush through here. Everything looks good right here. We will get this ready to go, okay? I have the piece right here that I removed from the car that the door and the fender came from, and so we're going to park this in the garage so it's not 1,000 degrees, and we're going to remove this, and then we'll put the new piece on. We'll have to kind of fix it, kind of MacGyver it, and I want to show you what we discovered over here. We have, this is the old door module. I got another door module. This came from a 2002 CLK. Okay, it's a different part number, but all the connections are the same. So I think it's going to work fine. Well, I know it's going to work fine, and I'll show you in just a minute. But this piece right here, I went to LKQ or PYP. They wanted to charge me $66 for a door module. No, sir. No, I gave it to the lady. I said, no, thanks. I can get it for 20 bucks. Well, I went to a different place. This is called Danny's, and I came out with some change. I gave him a 20. Look how much it was. $14.09. I got a pocket full of change and a $5 bill for it, and it works perfectly, and it's fine. LKQ, that's the reason I don't go anymore. $60? Are you kidding me? Yeah, for that one piece. And a lady had, well, I say lady, 25-year-old girl had such an attitude. She was so evil. So anyway, let's look and see what's going to happen. Here we got this. We're going to push this, and magic is going to happen with this. See? Look at that. It works fine. It's perfect. So we'll put the door panel back on. I spent all night reattaching all the little points where it kind of zaps into the door. So we'll get that back on, and it's going to be fine. And we can also put the panel on that side. So I'm making progress. I'm really, really working my rear end off on this car because she's so pretty. But I'm excited about this. We're back on the other side. It's a whole nother day. I forgot to glue. What is this? Stop. Okay, you made your appearance. Now go. Go, 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 go. And he left me a present. Okay, so anyway, we have re-glued these, and I just use the Gorilla Glue with a touch of water, and these things hold forever. So this is all ready to go. We'll attach the cable here for the door pull. We have the little electrical port right here for all of your controls for the seat. And then we have a light that comes through the bottom right there. So I'll get this back on. Then we're going to remove the other seat and let the car dry out. Then we're going to park it in the garage. Then we're going to address the front part of the car and see if we can get it looking pretty. That's a lot of thens, isn't it? Yeah, we're going to make it happen. She's almost all back together. I've lost the screw for here, and I've lost the light for down there. But this otherwise looks fantastic. The window goes up and down. The seat moves like it should, which is fantastic. It moves on the other side as well, so job well done. All right, if you look closely, it's raining. So we can't finish the video with this. I was gonna pull the seat and then finish the video, but
I got to get the car inside because it's going to rain. So we're going to end the video just like that. We are back with part 2 as we take a look at the front of this beautiful vehicle. See if we can make it uglier, then make it prettier than ever before. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of the views, all of the subscriptions. This old wagon has been very, very popular for the channel, and I love it for that, all right? So on behalf of Lola, the duck, and Monkey Wrench Mike, have a great day, everybody. That's another raindrop. We got to get inside. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.